In this video, we discuss Trazodone dosage for dogs, including important information about its use. Did you know that Trazodone is one of the most commonly prescribed medications to help dogs stay calm during stressful situations? Veterinarians often prescribe Trazodone for anxiety, travel, vet visits, thunderstorms, fireworks, and recovery after surgery. The typical dosage is 2 to 5 milligrams per kilogram, or about zero point 0.9 to 2.3 milligrams per pound of body weight. The exact dose depends on your dog's weight, age, medical condition, and the reason the medication is being used. Trazodone usually starts working within 1 to 2 hours, so veterinarians often recommend giving it before a stressful event. Some dogs may also receive gabapentin with Trazodone, but this combination should only be used under veterinary supervision. Common side effects include sleepiness, lethargy, mild stomach upset, and temporary loss of coordination. If your dog develops severe drowsiness, vomiting, agitation, or a rapid heartbeat, contact your veterinarian immediately. Never change the dosage or stop long-term treatment without your veterinarian's advice. And always use your dog's current weight for accurate dosing. When used at the correct dose under veterinary guidance, Trazodone can safely reduce anxiety, support recovery, and help your dog stay calm and comfortable. For a dosage calculator, detailed benefits, potential side effects, which dog should avoid this medicine, and safe serving ideas, visit our website through the link in the description.